Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to explain the next session objective of taxation. The revenue generations is fundamental objective of taxation for government at various levels, whether the local, regional, and national, wherever explorations revenue generations in the context of taxation. First one is financing government expenditure. The primary purpose of revenue generation through the taxation is to be financial government expenditures. Governments require funds to provide public goods and services such as infrastructure, education, healthcare, social welfare programs are more taxes. Revenue is the main source of funding for the public expenditure. Budgetary needs, the tax revenue is structured for meeting of the budgetary needs. Government, especially them the cover operational expenses, salaries of public servant, maintenance of cost and reserves and other financial obligations. Economical stability means the generation of helps government maintain the economic stability by ensuring the efficient fund for public investment, infrastructure development and social welfare program, and government can contribute the economical growth and essentials during economical durations. Government may use the tax policy to the suitable demand, providing the physical supporting the economic public service providers. The tax revenue is essential for providing public services that contribute to the well-being and quality of this life of optimize. These services include education, healthcare, transportation, and situation of public safety and more stability to revenue of the country and quality of this service. Wealth tax can be also serve as a corner of the wealth and social preventions of this government to higher rates and rejections wealth from the effective of the government and as follow the targets of the government policies. Next one is data deduction for physical stability. The revenue can be used to reduce the government debt levels and ensure the financial situations and generating the sufficient revenue. Government can be reduce budget defects and avoid necessity and environment. Next one is infrastructure and development. The tax revenue is essential for government to invest to cultural and infrastructure productivity and engaging the overall comprehensive of the economic. Next one is continuously funding. The tax revenue providing the will sources of resources in the future for the encouraging the tax revenue for governments and providing the public goods and services if pays the certain financial government to expenditure, providing the economic stability and supporting the public services to the government. Sales tax. Sales tax is imposed on the sales of goods and services at the point of purchases. It is usually to fixed percentage of the selling price. Excise duty. Excise duty is another one of the tax that is levied on the specific goods such as tobacco, fuel, and luxury items. Customs duty is also called as the known as traffic and tax imposed the import of export. They can be used to protect domestic industry regarding to the revenue and the generation of tax imposed on import of exports. They can be used to protect domestic industry, regulate the trade and generate revenues. These are the points included in the objective of sales tax and indirect tax. These are the points included. The tax is circular to taxpayer and comply with the law of minimize the tax liabilities and to tax questions with the influence of the law. This is also called as the objective of the indirect tax. Thank you.